Hi, welcome to the third lecture of RHCA classes. In this class, we'll look into how to create empty files, multiple files, and files related commands. So let's go take a deep dive. So how can we create a empty file? So the command is touch, and you can give the file name, and this file will be created. So TOUCH. Make sure that you write the correct spelling. So you can see the file will be created. Let me do ls-ltr. You can see the file has been created and today's date, and this is the file and been created, and it says 0. So there is no data inside this particular file, so it's a empty file. So how can we create multiple files in one command? So it will be touch abc. This is one file name, xyz. Let me take Tom. Let me take Jerry. So now we will see all these four files has been created. And so if you want to create multiple files, you just have to give a comma, a space separated the file names, and then it will be created. Another important thing to learn is touch. And if you want to create a file with the same name and with the numbering system, then in that case you have to use this one, and let me create till 9 and then close this bracket, and then we'll see, you can see the files will be created. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 files have been created. So sstechnical 129. So whatever number you will give, it will be created. So let me just give you another example. To touch abcd, and let's give 1 200. So you have to make sure that you give in these brackets only, curly brackets, and then two dots are required, and then close the bracket. So if we do this, now we'll get 100 file created. So you can see a lot of files have been got created inside this 1 till 100 the files have been created. So another command to learn is how to create a hidden file. So now if you want to create a hidden file, so you can use the same touch command and just make sure that you give dot uh, in the file name. So let me give dot amit. So the file has, so if you do a ls-ls here, you okay, let me first remove all minus all of, let me remove everything. So right now there is nothing, no files. I've deleted everything. So let me create a hidden file, the touch.abc. So the file is created, but we are not able to see that. So in order to see a hidden file, we have to use the keyword la. So you can see .abc and .amit, the files are present there, but they are hidden files. Now in the same, if you want to create multiple files, the same way we can do 1 2 4. Let's not create many files. So ls-la, you will see all the files have been created. If you want to create multiple touch dot x y z dot tom, you can create the same commands will work here as well. ls-l. So you can see all these files have been created, but whenever you are doing this ls-ltr, you're not able to see all these files because all of them are hidden files. So if there is a file which has dot in front of it, that is a hidden file. Let me do a clear. Clear will clear your screen. So now how can we insert data inside the files which we have created? So let me create a file abc xyz. Okay, so two files are present here, lsf and ltr xyz. So now how can I give put data inside abc? So we can do cat and then arrow symbol and abc, and now we can write hi how. So and then at last you can do control D. So you once you do control D, now let's go and see the data inside our ABC file ABC. So hi, how are you? You can see this is how you can append the data inside that particular file. I cat let me just put inside XYZ. If the file is not present, it will create the file, and if you just press enter, you can do control D to come out of this. Clear. Now cat XYZ, and you can see the data inside this. Now we'll see how we can append the data in the same file. So we have two files, and each of the file have some data inside it. Now we want to append some other data inside this file. So the same command cat, and then this time we'll use double arrow. Then we'll write whatever you want to write, you can do, and then control D, and then it will append the data inside this. So let's verify this cat abc. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 has been appended inside this file. If we use the single arrow, let me show you. If we use the single arrow, what will happen? uh, let me first show you xyz. It has some data. Cat single arrow xyz. Let me just put the numbers here and control D. Now if I do xyz, so you can see the earlier data has been deleted and a new data has been written here. So if we want to append, we will use double arrow. If we want to uh, uh, rewrite the whole file, then we'll use a single arrow. So now we'll look into how we can copy, move and delete or rename a file. So just now we have two files. Now if we want to copy this file abc, so I will use the command cp abc. So I will give the, so it will have two files now. So it will copy the contents of abc into the file amit, and there will be two files present there. So now let's see, and they both will have the same data. Now you can see amit has been created, both has the same data. You can see 21 bytes 21 bytes. Okay, let me open it and show you cat abc and cat amit. You can see the same data is present inside both the files. So this is how we can copy a files in the same folder. So the cp command, source file and a destination file. The next thing is how we can move. So now move is just name rename. So if we want to do move, the command is mv abc to def. So in that case, the abc file will be not be present, it will be renamed to def. You can see abc has been renamed to def, and the data which was there inside abc is present inside def file. So this is your move command. So it's just equivalent to cut and paste. So the move source file and the destination file, this is the format which you have to use. So if you want to rename a file, you can do the same move command, and then you will be able to rename the same file. So if you want to delete some file, you can use rm command, rmdef. So it will ask you if you want to delete, and then you can see your file will be deleted. Rm command is used to delete the file. So now let's go ahead and look into folders, how we can create a folders and how we can create multiple folders. So mkdir is the command to create the folder. Mkdir, let me create the folder. First, let me see where I am present. So pwd, I am inside test folder. So mkdir is the command. I will use sstechnical. So it will create the folder sstechnical for me. You can see the folder has been created. Now if I want to create multiple folder, so in that case I can use sun, moon, tom, and then all the three folders will be created for me. So mkdir works in the same way as the touch file names were there. Now if you want to create multiple five folders with the same name, so sun, and then let's give 1 2 4 1 dot 4. So the the folders will be created with 1 2 4. You can see sun 1 2 3 4 folder have been created. So if you have to create multiple folders, you can use this shortcuts, and you can create multiple folders in just one single command. Now if you want to create a folder subdirectories as well inside your files, so then in that case let me first remove all, and let's get an empty folder. So you can use mkdir hyphen small p, and then we can use the folder name. Then you can give the what should be the inside folder test one. Then we can give another folder Bangalore, then India. You can give in this way you can give the folder name, and the same hierarchy will be created. So we can do ls, you can do ss technical. You will see test one will be created here. cd test one. If I go here, I will see Bangalore here. Let's go inside Bangalore, and then see I will get India here. So I can create multiple folders by using this hyphen p symbol. If you want to, let's go to the end, test one, cd church altr. Now if you want to see the complete, ls hyphen r, and as you remember, we told you R will be recursively go inside each of the folder and show you what is present inside this. So this is how the complete folder structure can be displayed. So now how can we create copy the entire folders? So let's see. Let me create two folder, sun and moon. So now I have to copy the folder. Then I will use the same command, cp sun. So and then what is the name I am gonna give? Sun. I will give earth, because it's so you can see the earth folder has been created. So this is how you can copy your folders. Now if you want to move your folders, you can use mv move command, and let me move one of the folder, mv. We can use vf verbose and forcefully. I will move sun to uh, India. Let me move Now you can see now sun has been renamed to India. So we have moved it just like cut and paste. And now if we want to delete a folder, we can use rm -rf and moon. So it will delete that folder. rm -rf earth, it will delete that folder. So these are the different commands which we can use for creating, moving, and deleting a folder as well as files. Uh, these there are multiple shortcuts which we have seen here, so we can use those shortcuts. Uh, thank you.